doing? You're biting. You want more petting? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? More petting? Why are you biting? Stop that!
James has one title, Lachlan has another title, but I'm told titles really don't matter.
You mad because I stopped petting you? Do you need more petting? Is that what you need? You calico cats are pretty. Frank. Them calico cats are kind of twisted sometimes, aren't they? Oh, Frank, she's biting me. Ow! Frank, give her a bath. Ooh, she found a toy. Snarls. Snarls. Kiki. Frank, you're not letting go. Franklin. You're wound up this morning too, aren't you? Frank. You like that, don't you? Don't you? Oh, Franklin. Oh, Franklin. Frank. You almost got stepped on. Did you notice that? Did you notice that? You're a pretty good boy.